And Mother Teresa said, I wasn't called to be successful. I was called to be faithful. Wow, what does that mean? That means get my ego out of the way and be an instrument. Be a channel of God. Next is, there was a great book title many years ago. You didn't even have to read the book, just read the title. Feel the fear and do it anyway. Right? Feel the fear and do it anyway. How many times people feel fear about doing something and they stop? Oh, the fear must indicate I can't do it, or, what if this happens? What if that? What if I fail? What will people think? And all that. But you really have a strong desire to do something. How many of you have a strong desire to accomplish something in your life? You got a project, you have a goal, maybe you want to start a business,